There's a picture of the Weatherstrip. This is out of the EPC. That's where I got my part number. And that's still a valid part number. And Mercedes actually still makes the part. The only problem is it's between $340 to $450. And for a piece of rubber, I thought that was unreasonable. So I purchased a Euro part. You can get it now for 27 bucks. I paid a little less 3 years ago. It was a perfect fit. The material's good and it's held up so far, so I'm happy with that. The Weatherstrip is ripped right here. Yeah, it looks pretty dry. I'm pretty sure I can get a replacement for that. I'm going to have to remove this plastic sill plate. There. Just lift it up and out. It's coming off in chunks. Standard screwdriver. Got it all out. Now I gotta clean out this glue. I'm gonna try paint thinner first. It seems to be softening it up. There's a few stubborn spots like under here. Also got this steel brush. It's just the right size. And I took it right off. I'm using 91% isopropyl alcohol. This will take the slime off of the paint thinner. That's kind of a greasy material. This will dry super clean so that the adhesive will stick. I'm going to do a dry fit first and just, see if it fits. The original part had the seams, 2 of them, one on each side, like right in the center of the quarter there, and then right on the center of the quarter there. So that's how I'm going to line that up. This part, where that line is, should line up right with the metal, like that. It just gets pushed in, like that. Really easy. So I'm going to go around and dry fit the whole thing in. Well, I got a dry fit and it's tight. This is supposed to be the best 3M black super Weatherstrip and gasket adhesive. Okay, I'm putting down kind of a thin bead right down the center of the rail. Under here. I'm going to go a little bit past the lock cylinder. Then I just take this popsicle stick and kind of spread it around side to side. Underneath. Okay, now I'm going to apply it to the underside of the rubber. I just dropped it in the channel. Now I'm going to lift it up. And I can see it's starting to get tacky. I'm using this toothbrush because the round plastic is a good tool to push it down. Push this in. Okay, I'm on the other half. So doing the same thing, applying a bead. I'm probably putting on more than I need. Okay, I think it's tacky enough. I want to put this side on next. That looks good. Maybe up a little too high right there. Okay, I've got some strips of tape. I'm using them mainly to hold the corners in. Get real tight like that. Well, there it is. It's done. Just got to let it dry. It shouldn't take long. I'm going to see if the trunk lines up now. Yeah. Perfect. Actually, it was a pretty easy job.